Ellie sat by the window, her chin resting in her hand, watching raindrops blur the world outside, each drop pulling her deeper into memory. While others played, Ellie sketched raindrops in her notebook, each one a quiet echo of the day her dad left. The bell rang, kids rushed into warm hugs. Ellie waited, her yellow umbrella small and lonely in the doorway's shadow. Mr. Harris noticed her. With a kind smile and quiet steps, he asked gently, "Need some company?" "The rain isn't always sad," he said. "Sometimes it helps things grow." Ellie looked up, the words planting something new in her heart. Her mom arrived, breathless and soaked. Ellie ran into her arms. The rain still fell, but it no longer felt so heavy.